Hello guys, welcome to the future. 1800 transitions in 70 visual styles, 3500 presets, over 50 looks, 100 movie LUTs, exclusive sounds. You'll have everything you need. Just drag and drop, easy, ready. Especially for you, we have developed several revolutionary systems. No one else has this feature. You will no longer need to use several versions of one and the same project. The drag and drop system will automatically adjust transitions to videos of any size, with resolution up to 4K. Also, you will get the first in the world VFX for virtual augmented reality. All transitions work with either standard or 360-degree content. The project includes 3,500 presets. It's a very convenient thing. Import just once and use always. Feel like a free creator due to our exclusive module system. Get right what you wish. With our vast varieties of styles, transitions, and effects, you're destined to be on trend. A great number of looks will let you emphasize the unique character of your video. A collection of 100 LUTs will be handy for creating cinematic style of your video. Immersive Montage is the biggest pack of transitions. Forget about lags while working in high resolution. We guarantee stability and high speed. Now you'll need on average only 1 second for rendering. It's just cosmically fast. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.